All right. Well, look out there. Holy cow, look at those poor pine trees. And there's ice all over everything. Man, I wonder what my IMax 2000 looks like. Let's go out here and see what we can see. Oh man, icicles hanging everywhere. Oh man, there's that poor antenna. Look at that, holy cow. Look at that antenna. Hope it's focusing okay. Does it have a 20-pound yellow cat on it with a fishing string I can't see somewhere? Oh man, this has got to be bad. Thing is 60 feet in the air. The little tip of it up there usually is 80 feet. Wow, that's bent over. I wonder if this thing still works. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to go see if that old piece of junk ground plane IMax 2000 is gonna work. Yeah, we'll see in a minute. Oh, that's horrible. Well, let's go see.
CQDX 41, New Brunswick, Canada. 41, New Brunswick, Canada. We're standing by.
Hello, 41. How you doing up there? Tango Golf 123. We're waving.
Hey, Memphis, Tennessee, Top Gun, Mr. Top Gun, Shane. I'm doing pretty good out there, man. I'm doing all right there. We just got a beautiful day today, but the wind chill factors, the weatherman said, but I don't even feel it. Mine is 29 on the wind chill factor there, over. But otherwise, not. It's a sunny day and